In this video we will discuss what is decimals. Okay, so the number expressed in decimal forms are called decimals. For example, 21.32. Okay, so this is the decimal number. Now this is the whole part and this will be decimal part. Now what is decimal places? Decimal places. So the number of decimal places is equal to the number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal. Suppose I am writing 8.3, 6.23 and 10.145. All the numbers have 1, 2 and 3 digits in decimal parts respectively. Okay, so these are the decimal places. Now how can you read a decimal number? So suppose it can be read as 21.32. Now types of decimals. So there are two types of decimals, like decimal and unlike decimals. Now definition of like decimals: decimals having the same number of decimal places. For example, 2.37, 9.01 and 14.23 are like decimal because they are having 2 digits after decimal. Okay. Now what is unlike decimals? Decimals having the different number of decimal places. Suppose 1.12 through 2.329 and 42.8 these are the unlike decimals because they are having 2, 3 and 1 decimal places respectively. Okay. Now what is the place value of a decimal? So these are the place value. In the whole numbers, it will be written as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Now after decimal it will be 10th, then 100th, then 1000 and so on. So suppose I am writing this 14.23. So 14, this is the ones place, this is the tens place. So it can be written as 1, 4. This is the 10th place. So 2, 3. So this is the decimal number 14.23. Okay. Now how can write it tenths? Okay. So for ones we can write 1, tens, 10, then 100, it can be written as 100, then 1000, it will be written as 1000. Okay, so for this 1 upon 10, then it will be 1 upon 100, then it will be 1 upon 1000. Okay, now how you will comparing a decimal number? So first you have to remember some points to compare the decimal numbers. First is convert the given decimal into like decimal if it is unlike. Suppose there are two numbers 25.50 and 25.4 is given. Okay, So first we have to make this like fraction, like decimal. 25.50 and 25.40. So these are like decimal. Then we have to compare first the whole part. So here 25, here is also 25. If whole part are equal, so we have to move on the decimal part. In the decimal part, first we have to compare the 10th digit. So what is the 10th digit? It will be 5 and here is 4. Okay, so which one is greater? 5 is greater than 4. It means it is greater than this. So 25.50 is greater than 25.40. If suppose 25.50 and 25.55, this is the question. Which one is greater? We have to find. Okay, so here whole part is equal, then 10th digit is also equal, so we have to compare the 100 digits and so on. Okay, so here it is greater. Now how can you write a decimal number in the expanded form? So there are 3 ways to write a decimal into extended form. Suppose this is the equation 2.034. So it can be written as 2 into 1 because this is the ones place, then plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 upon 1000, or you can write it 2 ones plus 0 tenths plus 3 hundredths plus 4 thousandths, or it can be written as 2.034 2 plus 0.0 plus 0.03 plus 0.004. So there are 3 ways to write a decimal number in the expanded form. Now we will move on the exercise. So exercise 2.5, question number 1, which is greater? So first is 0.5 or 0.05. So digit on the left side of the decimal in 0.5 and 0.05 are same. This is the whole part. Okay, now at the 10th place it is 5 and here will be 0. So which one is greater? 5 is greater than 0. It means 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Now second part, 0.7 or 0.5. Here whole part are equal, so we have to compare the 10th digit. So here 7 is greater than 5. So 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Move on the third part, 7 or 0.7. Here whole part is 7 and here whole part is 0. So obvious 7 is greater than 0. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Now fourth part, 1.37 and or 1.49. So whole part is equal, whole parts are equal, so we have to compare the 10th digit. So here 3 is less than 4. It means 1.37 is less than 4.49. 1.49. Now fifth part, 2.03 or 2.30. Whole parts are equal, so we have to compare the decimal part. The 10th digit 2 is less than 3, so 2.03 is less than 2.30. Now 6th one, 0.8 or 0.88. Okay, so first we have to make the like decimal, so put 0. Then whole parts are equal, so we have to compare the 10th digit. So 10th is also equal. After that we have to compare the 100th digit. So 100th digit is 2 is less than 8, so here 0.80 is less than 0.88. Okay, now move on the second question. Express as rupees using decimals. Okay, so 7 paise. So we know that 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. So 1 paise is equals to 1 upon 100 rupees. So 7 paise is equals to 7 upon 100. So here 1 2, so after 2 digit we have to put decimal, so it will be 0.07 rupees. Now next question, second one, 7 rupees and 7 paise. We know that 7 paise is equals to what? So 7 paise is equals to 0.07 rupees. Okay, then here 7 rupees it is already, so we have to add these two. So rupees 7 plus rupees 0.07. Okay, so it will be 7.07 rupees. Now third part, 77 rupees, then 77 paise. Okay, so 77 paise can be written as 0.77 rupees. Okay, divide by 100. Now we have to add rupees 77 plus rupees 0.77, so it will become rupees 77.77. Now fourth part, 50 paise, we have to convert into rupees, so we have to divide by 100, so it will be rupees 0.50. Then fifth part, 235 paise. So for rupees we have to divide 100, so 235 divided by 100, so it will become rupees 2.35. Okay, question number 3. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So we know that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So 5 centimeter is equals to 5 upon 100 meter. That is 0.05 meter. Then 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 5 so 0.05 meter is equals to 0.05 divided by 1000, so it will be 0.00, then decimal shifted after 5 decimals, 5 digits, so 40 then 5 kilometer. Okay. Next part, express 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So we know that 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter, 35 millimeter is equals to 35 upon 10 centimeter. Okay, so it will be 3.5 centimeter. Okay, then second part, 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, then 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So 3.5 centimeter is equals to 3.5 upon 100 meter. Okay, so decimal shifted after 3 digits, so it will be 0.035 meter. Okay, again 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 0.035 meter is equals to 0.035 upon 1000, then it will be 0.6 after 6 digit. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then kilometer, because there are 3 zeros, so this decimal shifted after 3, again 3, so 1 2 3 and again 3, so total is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, question number 4, express in kilogram. So first question is 200 gram. So we know that 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. So 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kg. Okay, so first part is 200 gram. So 200 divided by 1000, so it will be kg. So it will be 0.2 kg. Next part is 3470 grams. So if we have to convert into kilogram, it means we have to divide it by 1000. 3470 divided by 1000, so it will be in kg. So it will be 3.470. See, 1 2 3, so here we have to put after 3 digit decimal 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 kg. Third part is 4 kg 8 gram. So 4 kg, after that we have to add, first we have to find this 8 gram into kilogram. So 8 divided by 1000 kg, so it will be 0.008 kg. Okay, so after that we have to add 4 kg plus 0.008 kg. So final answer will be 4.008 kg. Question number 5. Write the following decimal number in the expanded form. Okay, so first is 20.03, so it can be written as 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 0 into 1 upon 100. Now second part is 2.03. So 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100. Then 200.03. So it can be written as 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 100 plus 3 into 1 upon 100. Next is .034. This is the fourth part. So it can be written as 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 upon 1000. Now move on the next question. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. Okay, so first part 2.56. Okay, so this is the 10th part, this is the 10th part, this is the 1000 part, and this is the ones. So place value of 2 will be 2 ones. Okay, then 21.37. so here the place value of 2 will be 2 into 10, that is 2 tens. Then third part 10.25. so it will be written as 2 into 1 upon 10, that is 2 tenths. Then fourth part, place value of 2 in 9.42. so it can be 2 into 1 upon 100, that is 2 hundredth. Then fifth part, place value of 2 in 63.352. so it is on in thousandth place. So it can be written as 2 into 1 upon 1000, that will be 2000th. Now move on the next question. Dinesh went place A to place B from, that's the 7th question. It will be like this. A, B, C and D. Okay, Dinesh went from place A to B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B, so it is 7.5 kilometer. Then B is 12.7 kilometer from C, so this distance will be 12.7 kilometer. Then Ayub went from place A to place D, from there to place C, so D is 9.3 kilometer from A, so it will be 9.3 kilometer. Then from A and C is 11.8 kilometer. Okay, so who traveled more and by how much? So first we have to add total distance, find the total distance covered by Dinesh. Okay, so it will be this AB plus BC. So AB plus BC will be 7.5 and 12.7. It can be written as like this. Okay, then we have to add, so it will be 7.5 plus 12, so one is, so it will be 20.2 kilometer. Then total distance covered by Ayub, so it will be AD plus DC, that is 9.3 plus 11.8, so it will be 21.1 kilometer. Now we have to compare which one is greater. So 20.2 kilometer and 21.1 kilometer. So this value is equal. Move on the second part, that is one's place value, so it will be 0 and it will be 1. So it is greater, it means Ayub covered more distance. But the question is asked who traveled more and by how much. So we have to subtract also. So 21.1 then minus 20.2 kilometer. So it will be 11 minus 2, this will be 9, then point here will be 0 then. So 0.9 kilometer. When we have to convert into meter, so it will be 900 meter. Okay. Now move on the next question. Question number 8. Now question number 8. Shyam bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? So we have to add total weight of fruits bought by Shyam, that is 550 gram. So then bought by Sarla, total weight of fruit bought by Sarla, that is 8 kg 950 gram. We have to compare this. So 8 kg are equal, then we have to compare the gram value. So this is greater than this. It means the Sarla bought more fruits. Now question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? So we have to find the difference of 42.6 then 28.0. First we have to make the like decimal. Okay, then we have to subtract, so it will be 14.6. it will be kilometer then kilometer. So answer is 14.6 kilometer less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer.